Well, well, well. Hello, ladies and men who are gentle. I want to welcome you all to another episode of Ducati NYC Vloggy Vlog. How's everybody doing on this fantastic, what do we got? Wednesday, sure. Let's call it fucking Wednesday, you know what I mean? Call it Wednesday. Call it anything you fucking want. You guys want me to call this a Tuesday? It's a Tuesday. Want me to call it a freaking Monday? It's a Monday. Don't matter. Look, I'm going over the bumps one-handed, just swerving, because skills, you know what I mean? Incredible skills. Look at that, look at that, look at that inconsistent throttle control. Look at that. Oop. Sorry, bro. Didn't mean to scare you there, champion. That guy. I have a big pet peeve against people who oops, didn't mean to do that. Against people who walk really fucking slow. Like you're crossing your walkway, right? You walk and you cross the street. Unless you have an injury. Can you shut the fuck up, car? Jesus Christ. Unless you have an injury, you know what I mean? And you're limping, or you're old or fat or something, you know, like you can't walk fast. That's one thing. But if you're just walking slow for no reason, you are asking for trouble. Nice. That's what I was gonna get. Those arms. Those are nice. I like those. That girl's yoga pants fit her butt very well. Huh. Physics, huh? Anyway, I think this guy's probably going straight. I have no fucking idea, but I'd imagine he's going straight, yeah. Can't imagine him going right. That's fine. Look at that. The guy is riding a fucking revel and I remember a long time ago when I first started riding, I was just chilling back there at the light. What are you fucking doing? Fucking dumbass. I remember I used to just stand there, and this one time these fucking Harley dudes flew up the exit so fast I didn't know what to fucking to think of it, you know. I was like so impressed. I think what happened back there is that person is from Maryland, and they're accidentally wandered outside of their state, and you know, now they're confused. They're just like, oh my god, back in Maryland we have one road, and on that road you slow way down before you change direction. So they're confused. It's an easy mistake. I shouldn't have honked at him. I shouldn't have honked at him. Easy mistake. I do like the looks of that Porsche right there, man. I'm a big fan of these. Look at it. It's like a little Porsche station wagon of sorts. It's adorable. It's fucking adorable. This person doesn't a lot of brake checking. Look at that. He keeps touching his brakes. Why is that? I'm guessing oh, it's a lady. That makes sense. That makes sense. But it's crazy. You could hear the noise that those tires were making. on that Porsche. All right. Oh my God, what a weird vlog. The vlog of fucking old vlogs. Just gonna go to the right here, and it's fine. Everybody's very upset. You know what the craziest thing is? I actually considered taking the train this morning because they promised a fucking snowstorm. And that snow never came. There was like snow for about 5 minutes around noon. Oh my God, this truck needs to be stopped. The emissions on that motherfucker are nasty. I wonder if you guys saw me flip off that Audi. I hope you didn't. I hope you didn't, because that was not cute. Like, flipping people off is pretty old school. Is that a turn signal? Hard to tell. You fucking weirdo. Yeah, fucking weirdo. Anybody coming? Yes. Here we go. This person literally just went around the fucking bump in that G-Class. People kill me. Anyway, what the fuck was that about? This is like a combination of a vlog and just like a wild ride. You know what I mean? There's no rhyme or reason anymore. You know what I mean? No rhyme, no reason. Never hold the handlebars in between blocks. Never. You only grab them when you need to downshift at the last second.